Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. My name is joːɡධ. In today's practice, we're going to learn how to take care of our kidneys. Kidney is one of the most important organ and which helps in blood purification. So we tend to abuse our sense organs and our body and all the organs in our body with a lot of bad lifestyle habits and food intake. So by eating fiber rich foods and with a lot of water, drinking a lot of water, you can keep your kidney healthy. And there are certain movements which you can also practice to keep this kidney healthy. So let's begin and see what we can do to improve our kidney health. Hi, let's begin our practice. So come to the top of your mat, keep your feet together, keep your hands by the side, stand tall. First let you breathe in and out. Take a deep breath, fill in your lungs, expand your chest, exhale all the air out. So we're going to continue the same breath throughout the practice. So as you inhale, take your hands up, interlock your fingers, stretch up. Exhale, you're going to bend towards your right side. Inhale, you'll come back up. Exhale, bend to your left side. Inhale, you come back up. Exhale, you turn to your right. Inhale and arch your back on your right. Exhale, come back to neutral spine. Inhale here. Exhale, turn to your left. Inhale, arch to your left. Exhale, back to neutral spine. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, slowly drop your hands behind you. Interlock your fingers. Open your chest, lift your head and look up. Exhale, you bend your knees, taking your forehead towards your knees. Now we'll do this one more time. Inhale, take your hands up, interlock. You're keeping your hands interlocked, lift your chest and arch your back. Exhale, you bend your knees and take your forehead towards your knees. One more time. Inhale, you lift up, straighten your legs, push your hips forward, arch your back. Exhale, bend your knees. If you feel keeping your knees straight is possible, try and keep your knees straight and take your forehead towards your knees. Now slowly you're going to release your hands and drop your arms to the side. Slowly you're going to sit down towards squatting position. You can lift your heels up. Now from here you're going to take your left hand and place it on the outside edge of your right knee. Take your right hand behind and twist. Look over your right shoulder. Feel the twist. If this is easy, I would like you to sit with your heels on the floor. Lift your chest up. 4, 3, 2, inhale, you come back on your toes, hands forward, take a deep breath in, exhale, you twist to the other side, right elbow against your knee, sit if you can with your heels on the floor, lift your left shoulder and twist, look over your left side. Inhale again, come back to center, exhale, place your palms on the floor, and you're going to hold your breath, either step or jump back to high plank. So I'm going to show you first time stepping back. Now as you exhale, you go all the way down to the floor. Inhale, you release your legs to the floor, toes relaxed, interlock your fingers behind your back, lift your head and chest up. Exhale, go down. We'll do this one more time. Inhale, exhale, down. Last time. Inhale and exhale. Place your hands on the floor. Lift as much as you can. So when you do this, don't let your shoulders to come in the front. Open your shoulders, open your chest. If you can, lift your head up. If you can't, chin tuck towards your chest. 2 more breaths. Exhale, you push back into child's pose. Now from here, you will slowly sit up in Vajrasana and taking your left hand on the outside of your right knee, right hand behind and twist, look over your right shoulder. Inhale again, come back to center, exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, close your eyes. Follow your breath. Keep your spine upright. Once your breath calms down, you can open your eyes and do the same flow one more time. Why this flow is important and why this flow can help your kidney health? Because this flow focuses more on twisting asanas and backward bending asanas. Our kidney is on either side of our spine, slightly towards our lower back. So when we try and squeeze the muscles around your lower back, we tend to engage the organ much more. And then when we do backward bend, again we compress the muscles in the lower back, and that's also when you get a lot more blood flow to your kidneys. I hope you enjoy this practice. I'll see you in the next one.